Hi, second graders. We're here with another subtraction math video for you guys this week, and we are back with our hundreds chart, just like we used last week when we were doing addition. So it's basically the same thing as last week, except it's kind of like in reverse order.
Ooh,
Yeah,
I
so
like that.
instead of going down and to the right like we did when we were adding, now we're going to be going up on the hundreds chart and then to the left.
Ooh,
So it's like exactly the reverse of what we did last time, because subtraction is the opposite of addition.
And we want to get a smaller number. When we were adding, we were going down the hundreds chart because our number was getting larger. Now we need to find that little baby.
Yes. And if you guys just like overall pay attention to the way a hundreds chart is set up, we start with 1 at the very top corner and we end with 100 at the opposite bottom corner. So if I go down, I'm getting closer to 100. If I go up, I'm getting closer to 1. I'm getting smaller. So obviously we want to go up on the chart to get smaller. Okay. So with that knowledge in your guys' heads, I have a little bit of a cheat sheet for you guys, a cheat code I like to say. Yes.
I'm interested.
Yeah, so I used this with a couple of my friends last week, the opposite way, of course, for addition. But I'm going to share this with all the second graders because I think you guys are really going to like it. It's going to make life so much easier. So here's what we're going to do. And I'm actually going to use the first problem. Even though they give us the answer, it's good practice, and I want you guys to do this for every problem. When we're doing subtraction or addition, we're always going to start with the first number in the problem. So I want everybody to take their pencil and to circle the first number. And in this problem, that first number is 47. That number tells us where to start on our hundreds chart. That's where we want to point. Can you find 47 and point to it?
Right here, 47.
Yes. Excellent. So far, so good.
All right, I'm doing well.
Okay. Now here's where, like, pretend you're playing a video game and you got a cheat code to get to the secret door, okay? And you're gonna find some really special treasure in the form of your answer when you follow this cheat code perfectly. Here's the cheat code. Are you ready, Miss Marquardt?
I'm ready.
Yes.
I love this.
Okay.
Okay.
So we started here at the number that we circled. This is where our cheating comes in.
Ooh, okay.
All right. So the first number in 31 is in the tens place. And we know from last week and from all year using a hundreds chart that when we go up or down on a column, we're jumping up 10 places or down 10 places. We move by groups of 10 as we go up and down. So we're doing subtraction.
Right.
We don't want to get bigger.
No, we want to get smaller.
Yeah. If I go down on the hundreds chart, my numbers are getting bigger.
Yeah, so we don't want to do that.
So what do we want to do?
We must want to go up the hundreds chart.
Yes. So this is the opposite of addition. Now, when we're doing subtraction, this tens column number tells us how many spaces to go up. So you guys need to write an up arrow above the 3, which is in the tens place. Have you done that? All right. Next, we're going to look at the ones place. And in the ones place, we happen to have a 1. But that ones place tells us how many spaces to move over. And same rationale. Let's say I started at 15. If I move to the right, what's the next number?
16.
Is that higher or lower?
That's getting bigger. I can kind of look at the pattern and the numbers are getting larger.
We don't want to get bigger.
No.
We're subtracting.
So we must want to go to the left.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes. So again, the opposite of addition, we're going to put a left arrow, an arrow going to the left above the ones column. And we're going to write this cheat code for every single problem that we do, and it's going to help us a lot. Now that we've written our cheat code, let's follow it.
Okay.
So first step is to locate the circled number 47.
Right there.
Good job. Next is to follow our cheat. We are going to go up 3 spaces.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ding, ding, ding. Where are you right now?
I'm on 17.
Okay, we're not done because now we have to do this, the last part, which is to go to the left 1 space.
Okay. 1.
And where did you fall?
16.
So 16 is our secret passage. It is our treasure that we unlocked and our answer.
I feel like I'm playing a video game.
It is. It's kind of like playing a video game. So if you think of it in that term, you're going to be like, oh my God, I want to do my math so bad because it's like playing a video did.
Is
Yeah.
that allowed?
It's allowed. You can
Oh.
have fun when you do math.
All right.
All right, so I'm gonna see if maybe Miss Marquardt
Okay.
knows, and I already wrote an example of the cheat code up here. It's the exact same thing. Circle the first number, an up arrow above the tens place in your second number, a left arrow, make sure it goes the right direction. Some of you don't know your right from your left yet. So just remember it's going this direction towards the one, getting smaller, okay? A left arrow next, and then you follow the cheat code.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let you do it. Let's switch spaces.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm kind of cheat off your cheat code.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So the first number, just like you did up here, I need to circle. We always start with the first number.
Mhm.
All right. We're going to be subtracting 25, but I'm going to look at the number in my tens place. And we are doing subtraction. I want the number to get smaller, so I'm going to be moving up. So I'm going to draw an up arrow. And for the 5, which is in the ones place, I need to move this way, and that is to the left. So I'm going to draw a left arrow.
Yep.
Okay. So now I need to use this cheat code on the 100 chart.
Let's switch
Okay.
places again so you can
All
do
right.
this all on your own.
And I'm getting my exercise.
Yes.
This is perfect. All right. So I found 78 on the 100 chart. It's almost near the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is where it gets a little confusing sometimes.
Just go in order.
Okay, go in order. That's
Mhm.
a good tip. So there's a 2 pointing up. That must mean that I need to go up 2. So 1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then I drew an arrow moving to the left. 5. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I landed on 53. Is that right?
That is correct.
That's
You
like my-
found the treasure.
That's the secret passageway.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Mrs. Grant, I love this way.
It's awesome,
Yeah.
right? So you guys continue writing your cheat code down for each problem. It's not going to change. It's always going to be circle, up, arrow to the left, okay? And eventually the goal is that you write this so many times and you do it so many times that eventually you don't have to write that cheat code down and you just have it in your head, and you'll look at the next problem and you'll say, 99 is in my head. Okay, I'm going to point to 99 on the chart, and then I look at 43. I remember my cheat code. It's up 4 to the left 3. And then you've done it so many times that you don't have to write anything down, and you found that treasure all on your own.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So you guys got this. Good luck. Do the best that you can. I look forward to seeing all of your cheat codes written down and awesome answers.